Hello? I'm going to talk about investing. Anyone can have a lot of money. Anybody can become very rich, and that includes you. Watch this all video and I'll tell you more about it. Most people believe that wealth is a privilege for a few people. They work hard and sell their time or knowledge in exchange for a salary that often does not cover their expenses. If you think like them and if you want to have financial freedom, you need to change your way of thinking. You need to understand that anyone can have a lot of money. You need to understand that money is not scarce and you need to change your way of thinking about it. There are people who are very rich but started with no money at all. Find someone who is like that and is aligned with your purposes, and research what that person has done. Study their path of success and apply that to your life. Being inspired by someone who has done it the right way will save you a lot of time and help you understand what the formula for success is. But it is not enough just to be inspired by them. You need to act and bring into your life the lessons you will learn. Act in pursuit of your financial success. And there are many ways to act. A cell phone or a computer and a little bit of time will help you to achieve what you want. Also in this video I will talk about how to figure out strategies online to invest the money you earn, because in time you will find out that it is much harder to keep money than it is to earn it. So look for ways to earn more money, whether it's a promotion at work, a new job, starting your own business, or doing something you really enjoy. Increasing your income gives you more financial possibilities. The key is to earn more, not just spend less. And by increasing your income you will need to learn how to save your money in the right way so that it will increase. Many people don't know how to save money. The ability to save money depends on how you lead your life. And often it is not enough to cut costs and live without any comfort. In fact, you need to learn how to increase your income to improve your lifestyle. Investing is the best way to build wealth, but you need to learn to invest in things that generate a great deal of compounding power. Many people are afraid to lose their money with a bad invest. The true investment risk comes from not knowing how to do it. When you learn how to invest and know how to do it safely, you'll see that, in some time and good investments, you will become financially free. But you're gonna need to identify investments that can maintain a steadily high rate of return and ensure that the money you set aside is compounding the best as possible. When you do really successful investments, you can becoming wealthy. But first you gotta have to learn how to invest, and then you building your wealth for the future. That is why the wealthy manage to grow their wealth so effortlessly. They use the right investment strategies. Of course, the wealthiest have multiple sources of income that makes their wealth grow, but one of the ways to maintain high earnings is to know how to plan and put away money for your investments while still living the life you want. Wouldn't it be nice if you were able to invest as them? Then you need to learn how to invest like they do. You need to understand what rich people do with their assets and what they don't do. When it comes to money, rich people think in a very different way than the majority of the population. Investing like the rich and achieving financial freedom is a dream that everyone has, but it can be difficult to achieve if you don't know about budgeting, investing, debt management, and other important aspects of money management. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you dream of achieving financial freedom and living life on your own terms, then you need to learn and use the strategies what the richest use. If you're interested in building wealth and securing your financial future, you need to learn the exact investment strategies used by the wealthy to grow their wealth. There are business programs available that provide the tools and strategies necessary to do just that. These programs helps people can set and reach their financial goals. One such program is Wealth Accelerator Masterclass by Kevin Atrai. It is a comprehensive online program that teaches you the investment strategies the wealthy use to grow their wealth. You will gain a better understanding of investing principles so that you can start achieving financial freedom. You will learn essential skills like budgeting, compound interest, asset allocation, dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, real estate opportunities, and more. You can learn from setting up an investment account, choosing stocks, to managing risks associated with investments. The program is designed for people from all backgrounds and walks of life. This life-changing program is accessible for anyone who has a desire to increase their financial education and know-how. This comprehensive online program teaches you everything you need to know about investing, including how to create a plan for investing that works for you, the best portfolio mix and asset allocation strategies to maximize returns and minimize risk, how to plan for retirement and make the most of your wealth-building years, how to replicate the investment strategies of the wealthy, even if you're a beginner. This program will help you create a system on how to plan and put away money for your investments while still living the life you want. and understand your current portfolio mix and how to distribute and diversify your assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. The program was created by Kevin S. Atried, MBA, the founder and CEO of Lighthouse, along with other renowned investors. They teach the process of building wealth. But to make you feel confident in mastering the secrets of wealth creation with the Wealth Accelerator Masterclass, you can evaluate the program online for 30 days. It permits users to personalize their experience without incurring financial risk. If in 30 days the Wealth Accelerator Masterclass doesn't show you exactly how to create a system to plan and save money for your investments while continuing to live the life you want, then you can request a refund and Kevin Atried will return your money, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. This is your opportunity to change your financial future with a money-back guarantee. This program is designed to help you replicate the strategies of the wealthy without the pain of trial and error. You'll learn to invest with greater confidence. If you really want to create wealth and secure your financial future, I highly recommend checking out the Wealth Accelerator Masterclass through the official website that is in the description of this video. I really hope this video has helped you because I wanted to share these tips with you as I know you're interested in building wealth and achieving financial independence. If you're ready to learn more, check out the Wealth Accelerator Masterclass. Click on link to the official website below in the description of this video. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.